We have been teaching music and dance to the students from all over the world for the last 25 years. During our interaction with them, we observed that there are so many students over there who are interested to learn but do not have access to good teachers.
When we move out of Chennai to train our students, one-to-one training happens for a very limited time. When students deal with performing arts education, continuous education, mentoring and practice is very much essential. And our students want us to stay with them for long periods of time. In our own humble way, we have tried to bring in continuous learning and mentoring through digital learning. We have a very well thought of instructional design strategy using multimedias.
The course has been very beautifully planned, designed and structured in consultation with the great stalwarts. Both of us have been very fortunate to have been trained by the great masters. We are truly inspired by their desire to share their knowledge with others. This has shaped our vision
to create artists everywhere.
Teachers are going to the students' residence through the media. So it is convenient for the student. It is quite comfortable for them to learn all the 30 days in a month, all the 7 days in a week, all the 24 hours in a day.
Dance syllabus that I saw, they have done so much of groundwork. They have done so much of sort of a research into it in analyzing every aspect, be it the body, the beat, the basics, and be it the music, the rudiments, the fundamentals. So much of detailed thinking and working has gone into making this possible. This type of learning where everything is available to you in a video form or in a photograph. When you watch them, when you're doubtful about, you can immediately, you don't need anybody to correct you. You just go back to the film and correct yourself. And if they have doubts, then suppose they say, yes, I understand, but I'm not able to do it. They get back to you in one-to-one lessons. And with devoted teachers like Ram and Indira, I think it is going to be a great help to people. There is something for everybody who is interested in the arts.
இப்போ இந்த இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் மூலமாக எப்படி ஆகுதுன்னா ஒரு டீச்சர் உட்காந்து அந்த பையனுக்கு பொண்ணுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்து அவள் பாடுறது கரெக்டாக இருக்கான்னு பார்த்துக்கிண்டு அதை பாட சொல்லி ஒரு காலம் 2 காலம் 3 காலம் இது எல்லாமே அதை சரி பண்ணுறா. அதை பார்த்துக்கிண்டே நம்ம கற்றுக்கலாம். யோகாஸில் எந்தெந்த யோகா சொல்லிக்கிண்டாக்க அந்த பிரெத் கண்ட்ரோல் உங்களுக்கு வரும், அதையும் சேர்த்து சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்கா. ஜென்ஸுக்கு தனியாக அவளோட சுதியில் ஒரு கட்டை 1.5 கட்டை சுதியில் பாடுறதுக்கு தனியாகவும், லேடிஸுக்கு 5-5.5 கட்டை சுதியில் பாடுறதுக்கு தனியாகவும் அது தனித்தனியாக வகுப்பு நடத்துகிறா. ஈஸியாக புரியும்படியாகவும் அதை கற்றுக்கிறதுல ஒரு கன்ஃபியூஷனே இல்லாமல் டெவலப் பண்ணி போய் ஒரு லெவலுக்கு போனப்பறம் அதனால் ஒரு பெரிய பெனிஃபிட் குழந்தைகளுக்கு கிடைக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு சிலபஸ் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கா.
I went through the syllabus, which I think they have spread beautifully. They have thought of so many aspects that they would like to teach the students. Whenever the students are in doubt, they could clarify one-on-one. To teach in a compact manner yoga, Sangeetam, that is Carnatic music, and Bharatanatyam through the e-learning. I think it is very, very unique idea. I wish all the students make use of this e-learning by Ambalam.
For those who are learning through this internet, whenever there is a necessity, if you think, I will come there and help you.
இன்னும் ஃப்யூச்சரில் போக போக அதுக்கு வேறு டெவலப் பண்ணுறதுக்குள்ள யுக்திகளாக என்ன பண்ணணுங்கிறத நானும் யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்கேன். இது மாதிரி அதுக்கு உள்ள என்னால் உள்ள உபயோகத்தை நிச்சயம் அது செய்வேன். இந்த அமைப்பினால இளம் கலைஞர்களுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல வாய்ப்பு கிடைக்குங்கிற ஒரு நம்பிக்கை எனக்கு இருக்குது. அதுக்கு உள்ளான ஒத்துழைப்பை நானும் என்னால் முடிஞ்சவர்களும் பண்ணத்தான் போகிறேன்.
My interaction is also going to take place whenever they want my advice, or they want me to teach anything. I am ready to interact with students, and any doubts people want to clarify, if whatever I know, I could definitely part with that, and I am always there to guide you.
Anything that they feel they would like their students to know what I feel about and certain things, I'm always available to them. I shall be as long as I can.
In-depth and inspirational training.
Certified programs supervised by stalwarts in the classical arts field.
24/7. Gurukulam at one click.
One-to-one learning.
Highly qualified teachers.
Anyone, anytime, anywhere learning.
Simple and user-friendly.
Passion is the only required qualification.